Alright, so on this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get Instagram popularity going faster. So one of the most important thing about Instagram is that it revolves on what's trending. So what that means is that you have to find the right keywords or the right hashtags, I should say. So on Instagram, it's actually pretty easy to find those hashtags that are trending. And the idea is that if you had, I don't know, a picture and you wanted to make it popular to get a lot of clicks on it, to increase the popularity of your page, you could piggyback by using those hashtags. So let me show you and you'll understand what I mean better. So there are some apps that you'll actually need. You can download those apps on your phone or on your tablet. So I'm just going to be using an Android emulator. Don't worry about the fact that it's an emulator. Just focus on the apps themselves. You can download the apps yourself. So there are three apps that I recommend. This one is the first one, LeadTags. The second one is Hashagram. And the third one is this one right here. So I'm going to open the name. You can see the name of it is Categories, but I'm going to open it first to show you how it works. Alright, so as you can see, it's categorized on the basis of, for example, if you wanted to look at the most popular hashtags on Instagram currently trending, if I were to click on the most popular one, you can see that if I were to add these hashtags on my picture, it would increase the likeliness of me getting more likes on my pictures. Or if you can click the second most popular, it will give you the second most combination that is most popular, so on and so on. So so on and so on. So and you can also use specific ones depending on the category of your picture. So you can see how there's many different categories. So for example, let's do photography. And as you can see, there's different categories. So let me just click on the first one here, and there are the hashtags that you would need to increase the likeliness that you will get more likes on your pictures. All right, so let me go over the next one. Okay, sorry about that. So here's the second app, and you'll see the difference between the first one and the second one. We have some more options on this one. So I believe that on this one and the third app, I am able to search specific keywords. So for example, I'm going to search the word entrepreneur. If I search entrepreneur and I add it on here, let me get this out of the way. And then let's see here. There's a search feature on here somewhere. Let's see. Okay, sorry about that. Oh my god, I cannot believe I didn't see it. It's right here. So if I click on search, you'll see that. Okay, sorry about that. Let me type it again. So you can see though, what I was trying to get across here is that you can get all the trending tags for that specific word. So it allows you to search anything specific that might be related to your, post on Instagram. So let me go ahead and actually try the third one right here. Sorry, my hair is kind of messy. Okay, so here it is again, same thing. So I just search it, search the word, and there we go. I can just copy it. So this one's even better. I can just copy it and put it on my posts, and it should get people that are interested in that specific word. So the key is always to look for the broad word that people will search, so it is associated with your tag and it leads them to your picture and potentially get more followers, potentially get more likes, and definitely look at the numbers over here. So I want to re-mention the names again. There's three apps. So it's LeadTags, Hashagram, and the third one is Categories. That's the name of Yes, that's the thing. So just look it up on the Play Store on your smartphone, and it should definitely be there. Okay. All right. So good luck.